Compare two data frames and output their differences side by side. I am trying to highlight exactly what changed between two data frames. Suppose I have two Python pandas data frames. My goal is to output an HTML table that identifies rows that have changed, could be int, float, boolean, string. Outputs rows with same, old and new values, ideally into an HTML table, so the consumer can clearly see what changed between two data frames. I suppose I could do a row by row and column by column comparison, but is there an easier way?
The first part is similar to Constantine. You can get the Boolean of which rows are empty. Then we can see which entries have changed. Here the first entry is the index and the second the columns which has been changed. Note, it's important that df1 and df2 share the same index here. To overcome this ambiguity, you can ensure you only look at the shared labels using df1.index and df2.index, but I think I'll leave that as an exercise.
Highlighting the difference between two data frames. It is possible to use the dataframe style property to highlight the background color of the cells where there is a difference. Using the example data from the original question. The first step is to concatenate the data frames horizontally with the concat function and distinguish each frame with the keys parameter. It's probably easier to swap the column levels and put the same column names next to each other. Now, it's much easier to spot the differences in the frames. But, we can go further and use the style property to highlight the cells that are different. We define a custom function to do this, which you can see in this part of the documentation. This will highlight cells that both have missing values. You can either fill them or provide extra logics so that they don't get highlighted.
This answer simply extends at Andy Hayden's, making it resilient to when numeric fields are named, and wrapping it up into a function. So with your data slightly edited to have a nan in the score column. Output.
Press.
If you want the K warning, be at the trophy